How to see when someone was last online in Roblox. Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to see when someone was last online in Roblox. And yes, it's super simple. First, open up your internet browser like Google Chrome and head over to google.com. In the search bar, type Rogold and hit enter. Now, click on the first result that shows up. This is an extension made specifically for Roblox. Don't worry, it's completely safe and free to use. Just click Add to Chrome, then hit Add Extension when prompted. This extension works with most browsers except Firefox. So if you're using Chrome, Edge, or Brave, you're good to go. Once it's added, go to roblox.com and sign in. You'll notice the Roblox interface now has a few new features thanks to the Row Gold extension. Now, find a friend whose last online status you want to check. Click View Profile, scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you'll see a new section called Last Online. And there you go, you can now see exactly how long ago that user was online. That's it. Super easy and super helpful. If this video helped you out, be sure to drop a like and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching.